So today we're going to look at the convert function in VBA. So I've got some VBA already written. Let's kick it off. I've got to stop here just so we can walk through this. I have variables set for a bunch of different variables that we're going to use later on. Now the convert function allows you to convert a value that is stored either in a variable or not in a variable, and allows you to assign that and force that into a certain type, right? So here we've got convert Boolean. So if you want to convert that to a Boolean, maybe you've got -1 and it's just a text and you want to convert that into Boolean, so it's a yes or no, it can do that. You've got all these different ones. So convert byte, convert currency, convert date. So let's use a couple of these. So when I go down in my code, we can see here I've added this date, March 25th, 2024, to a string variable, right? Actually, I haven't set this variable at all, but it's been set as a string automatically by VBA. Now I want to assign this to the DTE date as a date, so I want to assign it to that variable. Now, if I just try and do that without the convert date, I may end up with an error. Most times I will end up with an error because it won't know what to do. But by forcing it with a convert date, it can actually store that as a date function. So let's look at another one. I've got a number here, an integer, sorry, not an integer, but a number, a decimal number. And that's also as a text. And I want to convert that to a double. So I convert that to a double and store it to the double variable that we have set up. And then here's string. So it is already a string, but I just wanted to show that CStr is something I often use as well, just to convert that to a string. Sometimes there's a number or a date where I'll take that date and I'll force it into a string. That way I can paste it into whether it's a cell or onto a page, onto a Word document, something like that. And I don't want it to be done as the DET, like as a true date format. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Please also share. Please go ahead and check out my other videos on my page. Have a great day.